as far as mining is concerned and looking after the mining affected people are concerned and mining dependent people are concerned, the response of the Goa government has been practically a zero. The matter which has to be decided, which is the matter of that, what is the ownership of the ore which is outside the lease. There the High Court had given them 1 month. Month of May, month of June it was over. Till today no decision is taken. That is 4 months are passed by, no decision has been taken. If that ore itself is sold, another 2,000-3,000 crores would come to the Goa government, because that is a lot of ore which is arriving. Both these expert bodies, one is an expert body of chartered accountants and one is the Comptroller and Auditor General of India himself. They both have come to the conclusion that total amount recoverable without any doubt, without any dispute from the mining companies is 3,400 crores. Judgment of Supreme Court of 7th of February 2018 says very clearly, you have to recover this money. Please go and recover it as soon as possible. But till today, 6 months have gone by and not a single cent has been recovered.